Hi, this is Krishna at Delhi Indian Cuisine, Las Vegas. I have a two location here in Las Vegas as an Indian restaurant. I am working with a company called Click IT Solution. They are doing actually fantastic job. They are doing my social media, SEO, and other marketing solutions, and then it's really impressive. Mr. Vivek, he's doing the fantastic job. So maybe you guys can check it out. How they are doing.